All right, next point will be a point about ethics. Rand is in a minority tradition in the history of philosophy in being an advocate of ethical egoism. And the formulation here that we'll work from is that egoism, on her account, is a philosophy of rational self-interest. Right? And if we then unpack that, three components here. There's rationality, there's the self, there are interests. Those will take us into the more fundamental issues in philosophy. One, of course, is the question then, what is rationality? And this will take us into issues of epistemology. What is the self? We can ask that question. If we're going to define self-interest, we have to know what the self is, right, that has interests. And that will take us into Rand's account of fundamental issues in human nature. And then the issue of interests, right, what are our interests? How do we discover them, define them, formulate them, and so forth? That will take us into Rand's metaethics. So, epistemology, human nature, and metaethics will provide the basis for Rand's more positive morality, right, which is the specification of rational self-interest and an egoist type of code.